over concerns about how the measure should be packaged and considered. President Trump convened Republicans at the White House last night to get the legislation back on track, as it has enough support now. One measure would establish a regulatory framework for dollar value.
Okay, that's how we're feeling. What was that? Oh, she just hit him. She just hit him.
Then turn right into the car park.
Her birthday. Not only that, but her anniversary with her husband, who she's still with. I realized this didn't take the time to make it important to him.
Jesus.
Or, you know, he's just being deliberately mean to keep your expectations low. I don't know.
There's scumbags out
This
there.
is just terrible. Like, come on. There are plenty of guys out there that would wish you a happy birthday on your birthday. Like, the
fact that they objected to what they saw as an illegal occupation of Gaza and so on, and that was what inspired it. It wasn't a religious war in the sense that you just explained. Do you think there's validity to that, or is that nonsense?
That's that same DMP 0081. P22.
Dr. behind TV position.
Negative, patient information only. This is PG ambulance 858. In facility priority 3. I have a 94.
Just wanted to be left alone. But bad chance of that happening. As for the victim, he didn't just kick out a son of Oswald and gain Mercia. The victim didn't just kick out a son of Oswald and gain Mercia. It also seemed to reestablish Mercia's power in the South, because shortly